Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Excel workbook so that when you type within a cell, the column width adjusts automatically. Let's get started. In your Excel workbook, right-click the current tab you're on, and then select View Code. Once the Visual Basic editor appears, click the drop-down located here and select Worksheet. Where your cursor appears, enter the phrase cells dot entire column dot autofit. Now you can click X to return back to your worksheet. And now if I enter a phrase, you'll see the column width adjust automatically. This will apply to your entire worksheet tab that you enter the code for. Just be aware, in order to save this functionality, you will need to save your Excel workbook as a macro-enabled workbook. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more content like this.